Hi guys, it's DJ here from CozyRC and we got a mini mono in the workshop. Today I'm going to run it for the first time with a 3S 2.2 amp battery. I normally run it with this 3S 3000 milliamp battery and this is a tight fit, but it works well. And now I got these 3S 2.2 amp batteries, so let's put them on the scale to see the difference in weight. So the 3000 pack is 255 grams. And then the 2.2 amp pack is 186 grams. Wow, nice. So that's about 70 grams difference. So I'm very curious how it will perform. Will the top speed be different? Will it run a little bit lighter in the nose? The center of gravity will be a little bit more to the back with this lighter lipo. Let's head out to the pond to find out. We are at the pond with the mini mono. I also brought the GPS and I zeroed it out. I put the GPS in a new bag because I got some comments that my old bag was worn out. We are running the 36 1.9 pitch prop, one of the favorites so far. So let's put in the GPS and see what kind of speed we can get. Nice. So I don't really notice a difference in the running. The water is really calm today. Nice. Nice. It always brings a smile on my face running this boat. Alright, let's bring it in. It's already slowing down. So the drive time is considerably less than with a 3000 milliamp lipo, but that was to be expected. Alright, let's see the temperatures and the speed, of course. $61. Wow, much less than with the 3000 lipo. That really surprises me. Okay, so the lipo is also really hot, too hot. 55, 56. Motor is not hot. Speed controller, about 26. So the top speed with this lipo is way less. I didn't expect that. Second run, I put a fresh lipo in and I also set the stinger a little bit higher, so the angle is a little bit positive now. And I also switched the lipo slightly backwards. Let's see how it will go. Alright, second run. It seems a bit faster to me. myself wet with my boat, that is. Oh. Oh, no way. Whew. Got my heart sinking. Luckily it appeared again. Alright, let's rescue it. Got the boat rescued with my fishing rod. I snapped the cooling line. Probably it touched the prop and the prop just cut it. So it's the end of the run here. Let's open it up. Okay, we also got some water. How about the speed? 63. Okay, it's better than the first run. 2 kilometers an hour improvement, but it's still way less than with the 3000 milliamp lipo. Oh, wow. Quite a lot of water. This lipo gives less speed. The handling is more or less the same. I couldn't really notice a difference. Even with some uptrim of the stinger, I didn't really notice that the boat runs more loose. It ran pretty good until I dove it underwater and it got my heart sinking, but luckily it appeared on the surface again and I could rescue it. That's it for today and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!